How to make gummy candy with Jello. Easy to make gummy candies without corn syrup. Prep time, 5 minutes, cook time, 15 minutes max, resting time, 3 hours 10 minutes, total time, 3 hours and 30 minutes max, yield, approximately 50 pieces. Ingredients: 3 ounces Jello gelatin dessert powder, 1 packet Knox unflavored gelatin, 1/3 cup of cold water, 1/4 teaspoon citric acid. Instructions. Step 1: Spray the paper towel with non-stick cooking spray and use it to grease the candy molds lightly. Step 2: Bloom the gelatin. To do this, place the cold water in the bowl and sprinkle the flavored and unflavored gelatin evenly over the top. Step 3: Stir gently until well combined. Make sure not to stir too fast to prevent air bubbles from forming. Step 4: Let it sit for 10 minutes. Step 5: Gently stir the mixture again and place the bowl in the microwave and heat for 30 seconds on high temperature. Step 6: Gently stir again and reheat for another 15 seconds. Repeat 3 times until the mixture becomes clear. Look out for bubbles. If you notice any bubbles forming, take the bowl immediately out of the microwave and stir gently. Step 7: Let it rest for 10 minutes but stir every 2 minutes to achieve a clearer consistency. Step 8: Pour the mixture onto the candy molds as gently as you can. Fill each cavity up to the top but not to the brim. Step 9: Rest for another 30 minutes before putting in the fridge and leave for 30 minutes. Step 10: Take the molds out of the fridge and pop each candy out of the mold. Repeat using other color and flavor combinations if desired. Step 11: Serve and enjoy.